Resin 3D printing is the main raw material in plastic products and one of the most common materials for 3D printing. It is a solid, semi-solid, or even liquid organic polymer at room temperature. It is generally insoluble in water and soluble in organic matter. According to the source of the resin, it can be divided into natural resin and synthetic resin. According to the processing behavior, it can be divided into thermoplastic resin and thermosetting resin. According to the type of synthetic reaction, the resin can be divided into addition polymer and condensation polymer. These resins are versatile and applicable for a wide range of applications. They are ideal for general printing, prototyping, and complex designs with moderate strength requirements. Choose from a variety of engineering-grade resins designed for functional prototypes, components, and components that require increased durability, resistance to high temperatures or chemicals, and superior mechanical properties. Most resin-based 3D printers use the vat photopolymerization principle. Using a tank filled with liquid resin vat, the print bed is immersed in resin, and the resin layer is selectively cured layer by UV light source determined by the digital CAD file. The equipment and printers offered by professional 3D resin printer services typically offer larger build volumes and faster print speeds than consumer-grade printers, increasing the efficiency and productivity of your project. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.